why not we create a network, or why not we create a communication medium where people interact? And most of the successful businessmen thrive on attending business conferences or attending exhibitions. This is where a lot of connections happen, because under one roof I have an opportunity to meet 100 to 500 plus people. Thank you so much, Telangana Tourism. In fact, with your words and inspiration, we are looking to build this particular opportunity not just at a Hyderabad level, but also at a national level as well as at a district level. With the support of all your partners, with support of all the businessmen who are looking to grow by helping each other, I am sure that India is going to lead in business tourism, and we would be more than happy to partner with each and every one of you to take this particular concept of so-called business tourism. You've been hearing about fashion tourism, leisure tourism, medical tourism. They are all industry centric, but eventually if I see, they all are nothing but businesses. So why don't we focus on business? We can start working with various other businesses. With this concept, Networking Marathon is a baby which just took shape after a lot of research. We thought we will closely work with government bodies, especially like Telangana Tourism has come on board, NSIC. We are also in talks with MSME. They have extended their support as well. And there are more than 40 plus associations which are run by Government of India to support businessmen. We would love to integrate everybody at every geographical level. With this, and thanks to our various partners like HiBiz, Hashtag, who are helping us in some way or the other, taking all these business people's voices in the form of literature or in the form of digital footprint across India and global level. I personally thank each one of you without taking much of a time. I am welcoming you all officially to Networking Marathon, which is a 2-day residential conference which is happening in Novotel. We would love to see that you have a lot of success stories, you have a lot of connections, a lot of business transactions made. We should only lead you to a good successful pipeline of 6 months, whether third wave happens or not, which is in our hands. But to survive that third wave and survive our business is also in our hands. So let's work towards that with all safety measures, whatever we could do, because safety is also in our hands. We have ensured that every protocol is being adhered to. We have ensured every area which can be a challenge for us in terms of COVID point of view, we have addressed them. We wish you have a great networking marathon in next 2 months. In fact, I really appreciate Gopal sir said that keeping time constrained, he said like, okay, let's open the floor so that people get back to their regular agenda. So I would like to conclude this meeting or this inauguration ceremony by thanking Uppala Srinivasa sir. Thank you so much for coming here as a chief guest. I thank Mr. Gopal Baldeva ji taking out your precious time over here, and all the partners who have been a great support for us for this networking marathon. In just 15 days it all happened, and the reality. And thank you all everybody for trusting us in the season 1, and we wish you a lot of success. I'll just take 2 minutes to explain the entire concept, because many of you may still be like not clear what is going to happen today and tomorrow. Everybody, whoever have registered, we have put you into a WhatsApp group. If somebody is not in that WhatsApp group, please reach out to us. We will try to add you, because a lot of communication is happening, or we are going to share in that group. So first point, we are running behind schedule by 20 minutes. We will try to catch up with that. We have around 140 registrations who are all people representing their businesses. This is not an exhibition. This is a networking forum. I'm sure you would have heard about a concept called speed dating, which happens in US, UK and other places, where people would like to understand each other for a few minutes. If you feel there is a connect, then you try to take it with dating. Of course, we are substituting the personal element, we are adding a professional element. So we are giving you tables. We have split people into 2 groups, group A and group B. Kindly figure out whether you're in group A or group B. So group A will occupy the tables as per the schedule what we have given. You would have already received a delegate kits at the registration. You have a name tag. When you occupy your table, please place your name tag so that people know who you are. Okay, if you have any standees, you are free to welcome. You have samples free to showcase. If you have any brochures, please do keep it. You can, so that you can explain. For 4 hours till 2 o'clock, group A will sit on the tables, and group B will keep on hopping over from table to table depending upon what category people you would like to connect with. So it's a free forum. If it is the same category, you can collaborate. If it's the same person or some other industry, if there could be an opportunity of vendor associationship, or there can also be an opportunity of business associationship or a client associationship. So this will continue till 2. 2 to 3 is a fixed lunch. Lunch is right opposite at meeting room 1 to 5. Okay, we request you to please be there. Room keys will also be given you at that time because check-in times are at 2 and 3. So we are going to give you keys then. And again 3 o'clock, the round 2 begins, which is a role reversal. Group B, which was networking from table to table, they will occupy the tables as per the communication which comes in WhatsApp group. And group A, which were sitting on the table in the morning, they will start networking. I hope I'm pretty clear. You still have a challenge. We have a team here and host of like volunteers who are going to help you how you can make good use of this platform. We have people right from traders, chartered accountants, manufacturing people, and everybody else which could relate to your business. Please feel free to connect. My request is, let's not go overboard. Try to spend quality time with people. At least take 10 minutes to introduce about yourself or business. Likewise, give 10 minutes to get introduced for their business and their products. Do not go overboard. As I said, try to restrict to 20 minutes so that you get maximum time to interact with more people. So the same thing will happen even day 2, that is tomorrow. I hope we are pretty clear. Any challenge, our team would be there. We are more than happy to help. At this point of time, I would like to officially open the floor and wishing you all a great networking and great connections. All the very best. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much, Dignarities and all our partners. Before signing off, we have Hybiz TV and Hashtag who are going to give you a lot of visibility. The entire event is getting covered live and almost like live streamed to more than 6 lakh plus subscribers across India. Your business voice or your business solutions, whatever you have in a quick video format, can reach out to them in a minuscule. So please do take opportunity. We are going to have a photo booth session as well as we have a live counter of video interviews. Please make good use of this particular opportunity, and all our partners, we are happy to help. Thank you so much. All the best and happy networking.